Alright, what's up viewers? You can see I got this big generator muffler on my Predator 212. And you can see it's old and rusty, but it should work really well from the size of it. It fits on perfectly. No holes or nothing. So, and if you wanted to try this with your go-kart, you would have to mount your clutch inboard. As you can see, it'll go straight through behind the muffler. You'd have to run it inboard like that. If you run it outboard, it'll just straight hit the muffler. And it won't work with the torque converter. So anywho, check this out. You can't even hear it, the compression. Alright, I'd say that makes a really big difference. Now let's test before muffler. Make sure it's not hot. Okay, it's not too hot. It's a big muffler, it shouldn't get hot too easy. It didn't backfire, so. I'd say it works really well. I mean, it's like putting on a silencer or a suppressor. Yeah, it works really well. Instead of the exhaust that people usually put on, it's like a straight pipe. This works better. Even though the straight pipes do sound good. And they look better than this for sure. But this works really well. It is a bit warm. Alright. A real comparison. I'd say, wow, that is a big difference. Very big difference.